Welcome to Adam Auto Group, Chicago's trusted dealership. Here's a look at a great in our collection. A pre-owned 2024 Toyota RAV4. This Toyota is powered by all-wheel drive, 2.5-liter engine, automatic transmission, and has 4,829 miles. Experience superior performance and unparalleled comfort with this gently used 2024 Toyota RAV4. Reliable, fuel-efficient, and well-maintained. Start your adventure today at a fantastic price. This pre-owned RAV4 comes with many comfort and luxury, entertainment, and safety, so let's take a look at them. In comfort and luxury, this car comes with keyless entry, AC, power windows, power locks, power seats, power mirrors, heated front seats, push-button start, alloy wheels, ground view camera, climate control. To keep you entertained, this Toyota RAV4 is equipped with Bluetooth, smart device integration. Safety was put first by the following features: blind spot monitor, traction control, forward collision warning, pedestrian automatic emergency braking, tire pressure monitoring system, adaptive cruise control, backup camera, ABS brakes, lane keep system, park assist, active safety system, daytime running light. Visit us to test drive this car and similar vehicles. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to like and follow our channel to receive daily new listings in your neighborhood.